Guten Morgen allerseits. Just doing a little video here just to show you what you need to be doing. So if we go onto Classroom here, I noticed that I haven't even assigned this yet. So let me just check here. Yeah, make a copy. Okay, cool. All right, let's assign this and then I'll be able to tell you what you need to be doing. All right, so first of all, you've got a little note here you can listen to and you can reply to it if you want to. Remember, don't be shy to ask me questions, email me, anything that you want to know. Okay, so all of your work you'll find in classwork under Woche 6, week 6. Next week it will be 7, then 8 for last week. It'll be home learning is the title. So Dienstag, heute ist Dienstag, today is Tuesday, and you'll be learning the days of the week as well coming up shortly. So view assignment. Okay, so listen to the note, tells you that I want you to watch this video basically. Now here you've got Sternzeichen. Sternzeichen means the star signs, okay? So you've got Zwillinge, Fische, Jungfrau, Krebs. Let's go down. Löwe, Schütze, Skorpion, Steinbock, Widder, Waage, Stier und Wassermann. What I want you to do is make a new document and copy and paste the symbols and then write or copy and paste the English next term. Don't worry if you don't believe in star signs. I don't either, but it's just a fun thing to do for learning the days, etc. Now here, die Tage der Woche, days of the week. What I want you to do is watch this video here. And in the video, you will hear various days being mentioned. Okay. So, for instance, scheint die Sonne. So what day is that? Trifft der Herr Mond, Dienst, Mitte, donnert, frei, Sams. Okay. Now, you're going to put the day of the week that matches with this, but you need to watch the video first to understand what I mean. All right, have a stab at it. The one underneath is an extension activity. You can find Westbam Computer Start and listen to the song, watch the video, and then you can put what's missing there. But that's only if you want to stretch yourself. Okay. So then we're going to go on to home learning dates in German. Before you do that, though, I want you to do the Quizlet that I'm going to put up on days of the week, okay? And you can either go through it after having watched the video or before and after, before you do this one. And then basically, if we go on to this one here, it tells you how to say the dates in German. All right, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Am ersten, on the 1st, zweiten, dritten, vierten, fünften, etc. I won't bore you with that. Okay, you can read it yourselves. And then I'll set some more around that coming up. Okay, any questions, let me know. Cheers. All right, I just need to find the stop button. Oh, there it is. Cheers.